Cotton was king in Alabama, but now the chicken business rules the roost. How did that come to be?
They say the commercial poultry business that booms today started when a woman in Delaware decided to buy a few hundred chicks, raise them, and sell them for meat. The truth is a little weirder than that. This is the story of a chicken with the blues that made a deal with that woman. Or was she the devil?
That sent billions of his feathered family and friends to slaughter. I mean supper. It's a true story. I'm pretty sure.
Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Stop your icy glare. You can put my eyes so I can't see, but don't cut my chicken fingers till you hear my plea. Spare my life into my stream. I sell the souls of my offspring. $1 billion McNuggets is a big payday. Sell my bosom breast to Chick-fil-A. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Hear my pleas. You can even sell my feet